PHP and MySQL Web Development 101, PHP with MySQL Javatpoint. PHP and MySQL Web Development involves using PHP, a server-side scripting language, and MySQL, a relational database management system, to create dynamic and interactive websites. Here's a detailed look at this development approach. Features *, server-side scripting. PHP is executed on the server, generating HTML which is then sent to the client. Database integration. MySQL provides a reliable and scalable database solution for storing and retrieving data for web applications. Open source. Both PHP and MySQL are open source, making them free to use and supported by a large community. Cross-platform. PHP and MySQL can run on various platforms such as Windows, Linux, and Mac OS. Cons *, security. If not properly coded, PHP applications can be vulnerable to security threats like SQL injection and XSS attacks. Performance. PHP can be slower compared to languages like Node.js or Python for certain tasks. Common issues for beginners and developers *, configuration. Setting up a PHP and MySQL environment can be tricky for beginners. Code organization. Without a proper framework or structure, PHP code can become unmanageable. Advanced tips for getting started *, use a framework. Frameworks like Laravel can help in organizing code and speeding up the development process. Learn best practices. Understanding security best practices is crucial for developing secure applications. Alternatives *, Node.js. For server-side JavaScript execution, often paired with MongoDB for database operations. Ruby on Rails, a full-stack web application framework that follows the convention over configuration principle. Django, a high-level Python web framework that encourages rapid development and clean, pragmatic design. For those looking to start with PHP and MySQL web development, there are numerous resources available, including books like PHP and MySQL Web Development and online courses that offer step-by-step guidance. It's important to practice secure coding and stay updated with the latest PHP and MySQL versions to ensure the best performance and security for your web applications.